You don't move around in a slow way like you do in a physical form. You can move around with the speed of thought because you're no longer limited to the simulation of earth. You're a free spirit. And this is also really what spiritual development is about. It's about freeing your soul, freeing your consciousness while still on earth. That all those fears are removed and that you can fulfill what you've come to fulfill while on earth. Let us also remember that all souls will eventually enter heaven, no matter what process they go through in the afterlife. Eventually, we all get to heaven. The darker souls stay in heaven for a short period as possible, and then they reincarnate as quickly as possible. The older souls, depending on the root race, which root race you're from, you're able to stay in the spirit world for hundreds and hundreds of years, even longer if you wish, and choose a particular time when things are right on earth where you want to incarnate to be able to fulfill the work that you need to do.